Chapter 12, test review. This is our concept map, and what we see in the concept map is that in the top part we have three different quantities: mass, volume, and representative particles. Anytime I want to go to moles, which is the heart of chemistry, I will divide by the special number. And then the part that we added to our concept map this chapter was the arrow between moles of A and moles of B, which represents the mole ratio. The mole ratio is a ratio of the coefficients of the substance that I want divided by the coefficient of the substance that I started with. The coefficients come from a balanced chemical equation. That gets us to moles of B. From moles of B, anytime we want to determine a quantity outside of our map of moles, such as mass of B, volume of B, or representative particles of B, we will multiply by the special number. So then we have a summary map that says we have a three-step problem in most of our stoichiometric problems. The first step is that we will always divide by the special number. And there's only three options for the special number. If we start in mass, if the question starts with a measurement of mass, grams, then we will divide by the mass of that substance from the periodic table. If it starts in representative particles, you will divide by representative particles. If it starts in volume, you will divide by 22.4 liters. So again, the first step is always divide by the special number with the three options of mass, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, or 22.4 liters. The second step is always to multiply by the mole ratio, which is the coefficient of the one that I want, divided by the coefficient of the one that's given. And then the last step is to multiply by a special number. If mass is the one I'm after, then we'll multiply by the mass of that compound or substance. If it's representative particles, we'll multiply by 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. If it's liters, we'll multiply by 22.4 liters. Now, with this concept map also, there are a few problems, okay, in which that you will be able to skip steps. For example, if I'm already in moles, then I can skip step 1. And then I can go from moles of A, moles of B by the mole ratio, and then multiply by a special number if it asks for that. If I start in one of these quantities of our substance, and it just asks me to go to moles of B, then I will skip step 3. And so I'll just do divide by special number and then mole ratio.